Hi guys, this is my 21st video of our DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to talk about the question set 21. Okay, let's start by the first question. What is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? This is our ID SQL. We are in the exam marks DB right now. So they're asking about what is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject. Okay, select. Okay guys, this is the query. Select max. Max means maximum number of mark from the student exam mark record table, where the term ID is 1. Term ID 1 means the first term. Okay, let's see, we can see it from the student exam mark record table. Here is the term ID 1 means first term. They're asking about the first term from us, so we entered the ID 1 here, and the student exam mark record subject ID equal 1. Then subject ID 1 means, you can see, mathematics. So they're asking about the mathematics too. So this is the query. Let's execute this and see the result. Okay, this is the result. 90 is the highest mark obtained in the first term. So let's go to the next question. What is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? Okay, then let's write the query. Select. Okay guys, this is the query for the fourth question. Let's see. Select the subject name from the subject table and then inner join the student exam mark record table on the subject ID of the subject table equals to subject ID of the exam mark record table, where this exam mark record mark column is equal to this query. This query means the highest mark got in the second term. Okay, then we got the subject. So we got the subjects, we got the result. Here is the result. Single language and literature got the highest mark in the second term. So let's go to the fifth question. Find the details of the students who got the highest mark in the second term. We should find the details of the students. So let's get a new query. Okay guys, this is the query for the fifth question. Fifth question is asking about the student details of the second term highest mark student. So we made the query. Select all from students, that means all the data of that student from the student table. Then inner join the exam mark record table on the index numbers. Then the condition is the mark is equals to this query. This query means the second term highest mark query. So let's see the result. Let's execute this query. You can see here are the data of the student. Okay, you can see now. So let's go to the next question. The next question is find the details of the student who got the highest mark in mathematics in the first term examinations and the class in which he is studying. We should find the details in the class of the student who got the highest mark for mathematics at the first term. Okay, let's see the new query tab. Then we add this, select. Okay guys, this is the query for the 6th question. So let's run this query and see the result. Okay, this is the result. Amanda Moses, contact number is this and the class name is this. Let's read the query. We select the first name, last name, contact number and the class name from the student table. Then we inner join this exam mark record table on the index numbers. Then we join the class from the class IDs and we make the mark condition. The condition is max mark. You know this query. This is the first query we made for the first question. So this is the end of my 21st video. Hope you guys to see my 22nd question video. Thank you guys for watching.